Jonah here and Holger at Balboa Restaurant. They have their pasta handmade, and a friend of mine told me that it's the best in the world. So how do you find the pasta, Holger?
Very good. I like the sauce. I have chorizo sauce with my
Mine is
fettuccine.
bolognese.
Sorry, it's affordable but also al dente. It's fresh and lovely atmosphere, good people, and of course we have our obligatory shake, ranging from lychee, mango to buko and pineapple. 75 pesos is really the lower end of the price scale. The pasta I don't know, but as you can see, it's handmade. It's not a prefab kind of arrangement, together with garlic bread. Very nice, very nice.
Good appetit, as the Germans would say. Balboa is found at Mayfair Plaza along Lacson Street. So this is Balboa. They also serve pizza, salad, soups, coffee, beer, a lot of ice cream, and this is the ambiance.
I really like the al dente state because I like it a little bit duro, a bit harder. So what I hate is soft pasta.
Yeah, yeah.
So this one is more, to me, on the very much liking side. The chorizo is a bit sisig, like chopped, and I say it's masarap, or in Ilonggo, mitnami. Actually, masarap na masarap. But in Ilonggo it would be mitnami. So, worth it. If you know, nothing fancy. Come here for, what do you say, sort of good-hearted, almost family-oriented meal. Doesn't bite too much into your household budget, and you're gonna enjoy this.
Good food at affordable prices.
Fresh, beautiful.
That's Balboa Restaurant here at Mayfair Plaza, Lacson Street, Bacolod City.
Pwede makuha
Ang listahan sa Ngamon Balayran. Pwede makuha ang listahan sa Ngamon Balayran.
Sangamu Bispiraya.
Pwede makuha ang listahan sang Amon Balayran. Amon hour. Can we pwede namon makuha get ang listahan, the list sang Amon Balayran of the things that we're supposed to pay. So that's how you say it. If you want to pay the bill and show off your Ilonggo, pwede makuha ang listahan sa Ngamon Balayran. Pwede makuha ang listahan sa Ngamon Balayran. Pwede makuha
sang
listahan. Ang listahan. Can we get the list? Can we get the check? Can we get the bill? But the short of it is Pila Amon. Just say Pila Amon Balayran. How much? How much is ours? Pila Amon.
Ang listahan sang Bisaya.
How much is
sang
ours?
Amo Bisaya. Bisaya.
Actually, it's Bisaya. But the Ilonggos don't want to be referred as the Bisaya. The Bisaya are the Cebuanos. This is Jonah and Holger saying bye-bye for now, and see you again in our next video.